what seems to have prompted this 25 basis points cut? Is it just the first that each RBI governor seems to do, or is it the first of many?
Well, I think that we'll come to know whether it's the first of many or not. But generally, I think there was an expectation that the central bank will cut rates, because inflation was slowly nudging down and growth was slower than expected. I think if you can look at the forecasts for 24-25 have been revised down consistently. So in this environment, the fiscal policy being non-inflationary becomes very important signal for the RBI. So I think if you take all these things together, I think the need for a rate cut was definitely there. But do remember, they have not changed the stance, which essentially means that in neutral stance, they can take care of exigencies if they need to move either way. Because the global environment is so volatile and so unpredictable, I think to say for to take it for granted is not possible at this juncture. So you cannot make a one-way bet right now whether the central bank will keep cutting rates. Our assessment is that in the current rate cut cycle, which started today, the central bank will cut rates by something like 75 to 100 basis point, and the timing will depend on the dynamics, both domestic as well as global. And we've seen this playbook in the US monetary policy also. After cutting rates by 100 basis point in 2024, they've suddenly paused. They were supposed to, at that time, it was believed that they'll continue with the rate cuts. But because inflation pressure is very much not gone away in US, and the tariff hikes, if they implement, will push inflation up further, so central bank decided to take a pause. So the point I'm trying to make is that this is a very uncertain environment. The beginning on the rate cut has been made. How much we will see going ahead, whether the next policy will see a rate cut or not, I think that we'll know once we get more information. But our belief is that the rate cut cycle will involve something like 75 to 100 basis point cut.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.